Electric cars are transforming the automotive landscape, but their price tags can leave potential buyers scratching their heads. So what's driving these costs? The crux of the issue lies primarily in battery production. Lithium-ion batteries, essential for electric vehicles, are costly to manufacture due to the expensive raw materials needed, such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel. The extraction and processing of these minerals come with significant environmental and economic implications. Additionally, advancements in battery technology, while promising longer ranges and faster charging, also contribute to elevated costs. Research and development in this field are crucial for improving efficiency and sustainability, but they require substantial investment. Moreover, the limited supply chains for these materials can lead to price volatility. With rising global demand for electric cars, the competition for battery components is fierce, further inflating costs. Finally, economies of scale have not yet been realized as electric vehicle production is still ramping up, resulting in higher per-unit costs. Understanding these factors sheds light on why electric cars remain a premium purchase in today's market, even as the industry strives toward affordability and accessibility.